Lucy Gray Bear.
Kaz Brekker.
I also wanted to say goodbye. The menagerie.
What's your angle? I can't go back to the menagerie.
You won't. Keeping my promise to you, I'm taking her.
If you want to leave, you must be paid in full. Please.
That's too much. Kaz doesn't have that.
This is my collateral. You're free.
You're sending me away?
I promised you freedom.
This isn't freedom, Kaz. I couldn't leave you. Not like this. Is there anyone to protect you?
Was there no one to protect you?
I work for Kaz Brekker now.
But when you allow yourself to be blindsided by love, two worlds make a universe.
Lucy Gray.
Thank you for taking care of me.
You're alive.
I can't let you die.
Save me.
You saved me. You saved my life. You saved me, Lucy Gray. I need you. So you are leaving?
That's it. After everything, there's nothing else you want to say to me.
Stay. Stay in Rotterdam. Stay with me. I want you.